As local schools work to safely start educating students again, the CDC is changing its message. Thanks for joining us here at 11. I'm Mark Mullins.
And I'm Amanda Starantino. Today, two major members of the White House's coronavirus efforts made a stop in Indianapolis.
Vice President Mike Pence and Coronavirus Task Force Coordinator Dr. Deborah Birx visited Marian University to discuss safely reopening colleges and universities.
And Dr. Birx was in the national spotlight for months before the White House cut down on its pandemic briefings, while cases skyrocketed across the country. Now tonight, she sat down with RTV6 outside our studios in downtown Indianapolis. Our Cameron Riddle has more.
In Indianapolis tonight, Dr. Deborah Birx, the coordinator for the White House Coronavirus Task Force, reiterated the need for Indianapolis to take aggressive action against the rapid increase of COVID cases in the city.
And so Indianapolis test positivity started to creep up. And it went from like 4.5 to 5, 5.5 to 6. And that's when I got very concerned.
Birx says she spent the afternoon talking with state and city health officials about what could be done to slow the spread of coronavirus in the state's largest city. She says the early order mandating face masks in Marion County and now the statewide mandate are extremely necessary.
We know the power of masks now. There's scientific evidence. There's real life evidence. And so we really do need everyone in Indiana to be wearing a mask.
Birx's visit to Indianapolis comes on the same day new restrictions went into effect, limiting hours of operation in bars, and just a day after the announcement keeping Marion County schools closed for in-person learning until August 5th at the earliest. Birx says what happens in public places like bars and restaurants is the start of a domino effect that will impact schools.
Well, my best advice for every place like Indianapolis specifically and Indiana in general is what the governor has done and what the people of Indiana are doing now. If they commit themselves to wearing masks in every single public place, in every place where they interact with others, if they stop going to bars, we can get our kids in school. Because your test positivity will drop dramatically, your cases will drop, and will have a tremendous impact on the spread of this virus.
Cameron Riddle, RTV6.